Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Today I find myself in a trade show. Very interesting for me because all you guys know I'm very passionate about industrial machines because it's what I use when I also design parts and develop prototypes for motorbikes. Today we are at FIERA LAMIERA, which is the trade show dedicated to all sheet metal forming, sheet metal cutting and tools for metal. So I'm very pumped because a few years ago I came here and discovered the CNC bending machine that then I purchased. Today we're looking at laser cut machines because in the future that's the plan, to also have that machine. Already have also a CNC mill, so I really want to complete the full prototyping workshop. Today I have with me Galia, because pro tip, when you come in trade shows, always bring a beautiful woman, because then when you want to speak with someone, if you have a beautiful woman with you, they'll definitely let you speak quickly with someone responsible of the company. Okay, now let's dig into the trade show and I'll show you anything interesting that I find. Here in the trade show is always nice to find good old friends. I met them here years ago, then I bought this machine. This is the TEDA CNC bending machine. Is one of the very unique CNC bending machines that is very compact and small. Doesn't need anything around, any shield, nothing for safety. So it's all compliant with all the rules. And the cool thing is that being so compact is very precise on bending small parts. But most of all, what sold it to me was the fact that it has inside here a 3D software where I can input the DXF file or the step file, and automatically it will tell me which bend to do first when we have very complex parts with many bends. And it's easy to just try and error and throw away a lot of material. With this, I don't have to worry about it because it does all automatically. So then I just need to place the sheet metal and it will go down, bend it, then I change, and it shows every passage directly here on the monitor. So for someone like me that I'm not used to bending every day, it's really a game changer. Amongst the many interesting things and many different aspects you see here in the trade show, one fundamental part is the software, because every machine has a software where you have to then program. For example, this is the software I use on the CNC bending machine and the one that you saw in the video where TEDA made all the bends. Now there have been some updates. I'm evaluating of bringing also software on my computer where I do all the designs. So maybe I can jump a step and directly see in the bending machine software on my computer when I'm designing, so that I can be 100% sure that that part can be made without having then to go to the bending machine. Step Automation is an Italian company, so I always am happy when I can work with Italian companies because I believe they have really exceptional quality and very good customer service, which, trust me, when you're working with industrial machines is so important, because if you buy just a random Chinese machine with no knowledge, with no contact with any sales rep or with the company, it can give you some really bad headaches, and potentially you could end up having a machine and not using it because it's just a mess to configure the software. What you see here for me is very interesting because these are dies and punches are used in the bending machine. Depending on which part and how you develop it, sometimes you'll need to have custom made these dies and punches in order to do certain maybe difficult bends, or like on motorbike parts where the space is very limited, sometimes you'll need to do like a U shape. And in this case here at the trade show, you can find suppliers that then can customize and do them of the width you need, but also of the design you need in order to achieve the bend you're looking for. Behind me is this laser cut machine, which is the machine I'm actually dreaming of, that I would like to have in my workshop. G-Wake already came to my workshop. They were really nice, and now I'm looking at different solutions because the very cool thing is that they recently introduced a new model called the M2 Pro, I think, or M2 Ultra, and basically this is a compact laser cut machine. Clearly it doesn't have the strength these bigger machines have, but G-Wake is able able to custom make the machine on your needs, so you have different dimensions. And I believe I'll start first with this entry-level M2 machine to then move up to a bigger machine when I will have a bigger warehouse. Here you can get a glimpse of how many different things for different sectors you can make with a laser cutting machine, and then also with a bending machine. But already this was all laser cut with no bends, so it's pretty mind-opening when you come to these trade shows. And I advise all you guys to go to random trade shows of stuff you have no idea of, because that's how I started. You know, I only rode motorbikes, and then I started going to random trade shows, and that's where I gained the knowledge about, for example, 3D printing. Then I gained knowledge about 3D scanning, and so on. Then I built a network of contacts with the different companies, and slowly then I reached the moment I was then able to purchase a production machine. Trust me, go to trade shows, and maybe it could even be an interesting date. If you have to go on a date, just bring whoever you need to bring on a date to a trade show. At least she'll definitely remember you. Now, for motorbike parts, and especially for who doesn't have a lot of space like me, so workshop, a dimension like this is the ideal setup, because if you have the standard, which is usually 1.5 meter by 3 meters. The problem is you can't lift by yourself the sheet metal to put on the machine. So I need something that I can activate and I can use by myself. And this being this compact, it uses little space in the workshop, but also I can load it by myself without the need of anyone's help. Also, it has all the automated system where I can program and put the DXF files, do the nesting, and then it does the cut. This is from Songu, a company that has recently been making more and more machines, and I think this is really an interesting solution. Also, it's in a reachable budget for many people. If we compare it instead to the bigger machines, they cost a lot more and they are far in reach for me. Something I really like is that these laser cut machines are starting to put also design as a priority of the machine itself, and I think this looks really futuristic. This is from Bodor. It's a company that it has increased their market share over the last years. They have really interesting solutions for also different dimensions. Still out of my budget, but I believe we'll hear more and more about Bodor. Amongst the many software developers you can find here in the trade show, there is one important process of sheet metal cutting, which is the nesting. I know it's not, you know, a nest with birds, but the nesting basically is the process that is used not only in sheet metal, but that I use also when I produce motorbike graphics. It means putting all the parts all together on a sheet and maximizing the space so that you have the less waste material as possible. It might seem like a very simple and straightforward thing to do, but if you have to do manually and bring every single piece, it can be very time consuming. With softwares like Lantec, the nesting becomes automatic, and it also provides you all the information on the time of production, and also you can calculate the cost of producing parts. Dreaming luckily is free, and behind me we have a fully automated system from the laser cut, then all the way to the bending. We have these robots that pick up the parts, bring them to the bending machine, and the bending machine automatically does the bends and you get the finished product. Salvagnini is an Italian company that is based in Vicenza near Selle dalla Valle. And this is the dream one day, you know, like big manufacturers have fully automated systems like this because they are very, very much more efficient. So behind me, we have an automated system for bending. And as you can see, this is a very compact bending machine. So for small parts, example, all the motorbike parts are pretty small. So you can have this production cycle fully automated. It's super cool. Clearly here in the trade shows, you see different machinery for different also volume companies. So you have from big industrial machines where you are spending millions to smaller machines that are a bit more affordable affordable. Still, this is not the machine for your hobby garage, but if you have a small, medium size company, this could really help you out and avoid you having to hire a specific person just to do the bending process. This is definitely a machine one day I would like. Is a finishing machine. So this is a 2mm aluminum, and you can see how it made the surface nice and clean. So it removes any debris that remained from the laser cut, and it just smoothens out and also gives this cool satin finish. Another very cool technology to cut sheet metal is water jet cutters. The advantage of a water jet cutter compared to a fiber sheet metal cutter is that you can cut different materials. So for example, you can cut carbon, you can cut plastics, you have a wider range. Obviously, these kind of machines need much more servicing than your standard fiber laser cutting machine. But still, I really like water jet cutters. I personally have a small desktop water jet cutter because the finish of the cut is really nice and really cool. And also, as you can see here, you can cut through also very thick materials, where with the laser beam is a bit more difficult, or you need really a lot of power when you're cutting very thick materials. Amongst the many companies here at the trade show, you have companies like Trump, that is a historic and one of the leading companies, because they are able to provide full systems from laser cut to bending machines and many other things for a large, wide use and a lot of different materials, like you can see here. So Trump is one of the most known companies in the industrial sector of who does any metalworking. Behind me is a punching machines, and no, it doesn't give you punches in the face, but it punches the material, and in that way it makes a hole in the material, so you're able to do different type of manufacturing. You don't really use this kind of machine for motorbike parts, but also to make some shallow forms in thin sheet metal. This machine can really speed up the process. Okay, now here, for example, we are looking at different tools. These I can use on my CNC milling machine. Also, you have the clamping tool. So always speaking about manufacturing motorbike parts, but these tools are for when we do some CNC milling. I have a 3-axis machine, so for sure having good tools and precise tools and sometimes custom-made tools is fundamental in order to elevate the quality of the product. These are Galia's favorite tools. These are to pull inserts. So you have these threaded inserts that we use a lot on the rally kits, on rally bikes, and also to fix up during rallies. And basically you put the insert in, you pull, and then it clamps around the sheet metal in this way. I always like to look at the design of stuff, and I think this looks pretty cool, and I love the attention to details, because tools have to work well, but to me they also have to look nice in the workshop. Well, from the LAMIERA trade show, that's all. I hope it was an interesting video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, to let me know in the comments if maybe you already own a laser cut machine and which model you have. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned, because I'm really hyped about getting out these videos on industrial machinery and all the moto industry. See you in the next one. Ciao.